To officially lock your Facebook profile, you'll need to make some change to your account settings. Here's how. Go to the Facebook and click on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down page, select Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to Audience and Visibility. Under Followers and Public Content, change all features from Public to Friends or Objects as per your requirements. Go back and select Profile and Tagging. Make change to the settings according to your needs. Once you've adjusted to the settings, go back again and select Profile Locking. Tap on Lock Your Profile to enable profile locking. That's it. Your Facebook profile is now officially locked. This wraps up the tutorial.